Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create a Facebook business page. This is essential for establishing your professional presence on Facebook and reaching potential customers through the platform's business tools. First, head over to facebook.com and log in using your Facebook business account credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed straight to your Facebook business homepage. This is where you'll manage all your business-related activities on the platform. Now, from here, locate the profile drop-down menu at the top of the page. You'll need to switch to your personal Facebook account by clicking on your Facebook profile name. This step is important because Facebook business pages are created and managed through personal accounts, giving you full control over your business presence. Once your personal page loads up, take a look at the left navigation menu. You'll see various options listed there, including Marketplace. Click on the See More button just below Marketplace, and the menu will expand to reveal additional options. From this expanded menu, click on Pages. This section is where you'll access all the pages you currently manage and create new ones. You'll now be directed to the Pages You Manage section. Look again at the left navigation and you'll spot a button labeled Plus Create Page. Click on it to begin the process. A small selection window will pop up, giving you the choice to either upgrade an existing page or create a brand new one. For our purposes, click on the Public Page Radio button to select it, then click Next to proceed. A Create New Page feature window will appear on your screen. Take a moment to read through the advantages and benefits you gain from creating a business page. Facebook will highlight features like customer engagement tools, analytics, and advertising capabilities. Once you've reviewed this information, click on Get Started. You'll now be directed to your page creation screen. This is where the actual setup happens. Start by entering a page name in the field on the left navigation menu. Choose something that clearly represents your business and is easy for customers to find. Next, select a category that best describes your type of business from the drop-down menu. This helps Facebook classify your page correctly and show it to the right audience. Then you'll have the option to enter a bio, which is optional but highly recommended. Your bio gives visitors a quick overview of what your business does, so make it clear and concise. Now, look at the desktop preview on the right side of the screen. This shows you how your page will appear to visitors. Check carefully to ensure all the information you've entered is correct and looks professional. Once you're done and satisfied with everything, click on Create Page. Congratulations, you've just created your Facebook business page and can now start building your online presence. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.